Did you know that vacuuming your refrigerator coils can save energy and improve performance? Over time, dust and debris collect on the coils, especially if you have pets. Dirty coils mean your fridge has to work harder, which can raise your energy bill. Here's how to clean them. First, unplug your fridge for safety. Then locate the coils, usually behind a panel at the back. Once you've unscrewed the panel, use a vacuum brush attachment to gently clean the coils. Check your owner's manual for any special instructions. At Nest Managers, we're committed to supporting you throughout your tenancy, ensuring the highest satisfaction with your home. For more tips and tricks, visit us at nestmanagers.com.